To rearrange an equation like this would normally take you less than 10 seconds. So we want to make u the subject, and therefore we're going to take 2as off both sides of the equation. So we can say that v squared minus 2as is equal to u squared. So we could also write this as u squared is equal to v squared minus 2as. And then we simply need to square root both sides to say that u is equal to the square root of v squared minus 2as. And that's it. That's all there is to it in order to make u the subject of that equation. By the way, this is just one of many videos I've made covering all of the maths that you need to understand for A-level physics. It's part of a mini course which includes many more topic videos, multiple worked examples, and also a guide that you can download. You can find all of this over at alevelphysicsonline.com.